Hi, I'm Nicholas Asher, and today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite drinks of all time, chocolate milk. From when I have writer's block to when I'm just ordering Papa John's, I have this drink with everything pretty much because it goes with almost everything. And that's one of the things I love about this drink. It is extremely versatile. Now, you'll need to be a Bobby Flay or a Guy Fieri or any other chef you see on Food Network or the Cooking Channel. All you need are a couple materials, and in about 3 minutes tops, you'll be sipping that wonderful beverage in no time. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is get out your materials. Right here I have a glass cup, a spoon for the stirring, which we'll do later, chocolate syrup. Right now I'm using the Hershey's chocolate syrup, but there's sugar-free ones, and there's a whole lot of other options. I also am using Publix whole milk, but that's just a preference. There's almond milk, it works for lactate. It really works for any milk-like drink. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is pour milk into the cup. Now, some people want to put their paper towels under it just in case they spill it. Personally, I don't think I'm that clumsy. So, then you're going to pour the chocolate syrup into the cup. Now, in my mind, I feel like this is the most important step because this determines how chocolatey it is. So if you like it really dense, you're going to use a lot. If you just want milk with a tad bit of chocolate, you just put in like one little drop. But you have to remember that this goes out really quickly. So I personally like a lot of chocolate in mine, but that's just me. But another thing that I'd like to tell you is that these two steps are perfectly interchangeable. It's completely up to your personal preference. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to stir into the cup. Now this is done rather gently, especially with these cups, because if you stir too fast, then it can go all over the place and possibly spill. So after stirring for a little bit amount of time, you should get what I have, a brownish colored drink. Now, like I said before, this completely depends on how much chocolate syrup you put in. Because if you put a lot in, then you should expect a very, very dark brown color. And if you put a little in, you should expect white with maybe some brown spots, as so, you know? But to completely check to see if you stirred it right, all you have to do is look at the bottom of your cup and you'll see clearly the syrup right there. If you're using a non-clear cup, then I just like using the spoon to kind of feel around, because if you can just stir it smoothly, then there is no syrup down there, I guarantee you. So one thing that I like doing before chugging this whole thing down is actually using the spoon to take a test sip, if you will. So that kind of shows, hey, maybe I put in not enough syrup, or maybe I put in a little too much. If you put in a little too much, there's not much you can change about it. But if you feel like you put too little, then just add more syrup, stir it. It's completely fine, right? So we're going to take a test sip of this. And my friends, we have a killer chocolate milk right here. In conclusion, chocolate milk is a very easy yet very effective drink to make. It's for all ages and for all occasions. So really, it's pretty essential for your culinary career. And trust me, you don't even need to be a cook, because once you put those chocolate milks in front of whoever you have over or whoever is at your event, I assure you that it will be livened up immediately once they're put on the table. Thank you.